Adverb.
Part 2.
Now let us understand simple adverbs. A simple adverb is the one which describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb in a sentence. For example, words like carefully, very, quite, and luckily are examples of simple adverbs. In the sentence, he is driving carefully. Carefully is acting as an adverb, which is describing the verb driving. How is he driving? He is driving carefully. Now let us understand interrogative adverbs. An interrogative adverb is the one which asks questions. The interrogative adverbs are of different forms. Let us see those in detail. The form why. In this form, the answers to all these questions will be in the form of a reason. Why are they clapping? In this sentence, why is an interrogative adverb because the sentence is searching for a reason why. The reason why people are clapping. Next form is when. The answer to all these questions will be in some form of time. In the sentence, when is the next train for Lucknow? When is acting as an interrogative adverb because the sentence is searching for the time. When the train will arrive. Next form is how. The answers to these questions will indicate in what manner. In the sentence, how are you going back home? How is acting as an interrogative adverb because the sentence is searching for how, in what manner. The final form of interrogative adverb is where. The answers to all these questions will be some place. Here in this sentence, where is my coat? Where is acting as an interrogative adverb. The sentence is searching for where the coat is kept. Adverbs expressing manner. Now let us understand the adverbs expressing manner. These adverbs answer the question how. To better understand, let us see this example. Rishabh reads the article carefully. Now here, carefully is acting as an adverb, which is describing how the article is being read. Rishabh is reading the article, how, carefully. So carefully explains the manner in which the article is being read. Hence, carefully is acting as an adverb of manner. Also, it is very important to note that an adverb of manner is usually placed after the verb or after the object of the verb. For example, in sentence, Rishabh reads the article carefully. Carefully is placed after the verb read. Also placed after the object in the sentence, article. Now let us understand adverbs expressing degree. Adverbs expressing degree are those adverbs that answer the question of how much in the sentence. Let us understand this by an example. It was too hot yesterday. Here, too hot is an adverb expressing degree. This answers the question, how hot was it yesterday? It was too hot. Since too is successfully answering the question of how much, it is an adverb expressing the degree. It is very important to note that an adverb of degree is usually placed before the adjective or adverb it describes. For example, in the sentence, "It was too hot yesterday," "too" is placed before word hot, which is acting as an adjective. Now let us understand the adverbs of time. Those adverbs that answer the question when are called the adverbs of time. Let us see this sentence. He goes to the temple daily. Here, daily is an adverb of time that is answering the question when. When does he go to the temple? He goes to the temple daily. It is very important to note that an adverb of time is usually placed after the verb or after the object of the verb. So in this example, he goes to the temple daily. Daily, the adverb of time, is placed after the verb goes or the object in the sentence temple. Adverbs expressing frequency. These adverbs answer the question of how often. So adverbs expressing frequency answers the question of how often. In the sentence, the batsman never fails. Never is an adverb as it is correctly answering the question of how often. So how often the batsman fails? The word never answers the question. An adverb of frequency is usually placed between the subject and the verb when the verb has only one word. So in the sentence, the batsman never fails, never, the adverb, is being placed between batsman, the noun, and fails, the verb. Let us now understand the adverbs of place. Adverbs of place answer the question of where. Rishabh was sitting here. Here is an adverb expressing place, which is answering the question where Rishabh was sitting. Rishabh was sitting here. Adverbs expressing reason or cause. As mentioned before, a clause can act like an adverb in a sentence. Sometimes, such an adverb clause expresses the relation of reason or cause. He reads a lot of English books because he wants to improve his English. Now here, the clause because he wants to improve his English is acting as an adverb expressing the reason. So the reason he is reading lots of English books has been given that the boy wants to improve his English. Hence, the clause because he wants to improve his English is acting as an adverb expressing reason or cause.